Yeah, a little bit older of a Pepsi bottle. Nothing extremely old. Probably 60s or 70s. I mean, it didn't look like that. The painting hasn't been like that for a little while. But that's cool. If the painting was it's not that bad. Who knows? Right. A little chip. Other than that, it's pretty good. Alright. Deb Spader in the Pepsi bottle. Catch you on the next, folks. Hey, folks. It's a sunny, warm day. Out hiking around in the shrubbery of the woods. And underneath a dirty old sock was this old toy truck. Oh, that's a cool one, man. That's a cool one. Did I nick it? Oh. Oh, looks like I might have broke it a bit. Well, just bent it. Alright, she's still in good shape though. Cool. That's a cool little old truck. Yeah, I nicked the corner. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I don't think that paint's gonna stay. It might. Might. Alright. First find of the day. Pretty cool old toy truck. Alright, Deb Spader and Equinox. Catch you on the next, folks. Hey, folks. So, we've pounded the area just at the bottom of this hill. Matter of fact, we've walked up the hill right here a couple times. Right beside the trail, I get a bouncy, it's hitting 21, it's jumpy signal, and I dig the hole, pinpoint, and I pull out this. I'm not sure if that's some kind of old metal button or what it is. So I take it, look at it, say, oh well, put it in my pocket, flip the plug back over, rescan it. Pure, perfect 21 signal. Nice and sweet. Perfect. So I flip the plug back open, and look, folks. You see that rim there? That looks like large cent material to me. Alright. Let's pull her out. First coin of the day and see what we got. It's a 1911. Oops. 1911. First year of George. Alright, cool. 1911 Largie. It's a good way to start the coins. Let's see if we can't find a couple. Oh, this one looks like it's going to be in great shape too. Boy, just by wiping it with my hands, it's like looking like brand new. Alright. Deb Spader and the Equinox and KG5. We'll catch you on the next, folks. See ya. Hey folks, Dwayne's joined me. Social distancing though. I think I found what looks like a musket ball. A round ball of lead. Let's see. Bizarre. I mean, this spot is old. There's a flat spot on the one side. I don't know. It's lead. It's round. Could it be a musket ball? Cool. Alright, we'll put that in the goodies jar. Deb Spader and Dwayne. Hey folks, we got an interesting signal here. Could be a penny, could be a dime. A little jumpy, makes me think it could be a modern penny. A little jumpy, that's why I think it could be a modern penny, but we'll check it. Hopefully it's something interesting. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. it's still in the hole. I think it's still in the hole. Uh-oh. Missed it by that much. Okay, let's go back here. Go like this. And see what happens now. Oops. Let's see if we can find it now. Great big old washer. It's fizzing good. Just a great big old washer. Grommet of some sort. Copper or brass too. Bizarre. Alright, that's Peter out. Hey folks, it's clouded over, but you can see the mark there. Got the first weed of the day. First wheat of the day. Alright. Guess we'll play around this area for a little bit, see if we can't pull out something. Although there's a plug there from somebody else. And mine's right here. Okay. Dwayne's back there. We'll play on around here a little bit. Catch you on the next, folks. Hey folks, well, not much in the finds department today. A few copper coins, starting to rain a bit. I don't know if you can see that in the puddles. It's getting dark looking out. The water's flowing down by the river. Still got to find stuff on that side of the river. But it's a nice day to get out anyway. The days could be limited. Who knows when we are going to be told we can't go out anymore. But this was definitely some man-made stuff down here a long time ago. Alright, well, Dev Spader and Dwayne here. We'll catch you on the next, folks. See ya. Well, folks, it's pouring. I got a long walk out of here. Long walk. It's a pouring. Alright, well, we'll see you when I get back to the car. Dev Spader out. The old train, well not old, but the train track shot. Across the tracks to get to where I'm going. Alright. We're going to carry on. Oops. We'll see you when we get back, folks. Dev Spader out. Okay, folks. We're back in the car. We made it. Whew. I'm wet. It was a wet day, but you know what? We got a large scent, which always makes it a fun day. Yeah. You know, some of these spots can be tough. They've been hit a few times, but they still give up something. Still give up something. It's just, didn't want to go far from home either with these kind of circumstances these days, so I'm just around the corner from where I live. And, yeah, we're gonna head there now. Wet out. She's wet. But nevertheless, it was a good day. It was a good day today.